We're going to be eating junk food.
Yeah, so we have ice pops. We have sunflower seeds.
Honeycomb.
Yeah.
And we also have big tree notes.
Yes.
We're going to eat the popsicles first.
We just had a softball game, and so
Yeah.
we decided to do this after it. So.
Because you're hot. Very hot today. Okay, let's get started.
I think these are like strawberry cheesecake.
Strawberry cheesecake, yeah.
I don't really
that's what
know. I saw them at school.
they look. They eat them at school. I feel them
But
away.
only on Fridays. Fine. But it tastes like watermelon, not strawberry, like in the
They're
inside.
very good. They're pink in the inside.
Yeah. I'm sure you guys probably had these, like,
They're
pretty
very
common. I don't know if you guys can hear, but there's my neighbor's dog is barking. Of course.
Of course. You expect these little things would be crunchy, but they're actually not.
Yeah, they're like soft little cake pieces.
They're good.
What do you think we should do after this?
I think maybe we should do. Yeah, nerds.
I'll save that for last.
We're saving this for last when
Yeah.
we come. They're good.
We also have water. I don't know. So.
Oh no.
I wouldn't really call this ASMR. I called it, I'm not kidding.
Yeah. You could call it trying foods.
Yeah.
Because honeycomb,
Yeah.
I've never had it, but I have. And it's really good.
Oh, I don't think I told them my name. My name's Michaela.
And I'm Riley.
Arbor, because she's gonna get like up here pierced. I'd be scared.
Our
Our friend said like she's gonna get her cartilage pierced.
Actually, I want to get like a bar.
I do want to get that, but like not at this age. She said she's gonna get it soon. So like,
You have to be 16
yeah.
or 18. It looks very cool. It looks like it hurts though. Like when you get it pierced.
I don't understand how they pierce it. It's literally cartilage.
They
like, all
literally
right there.
just stick like the thingy in your ear.
God.
They stick it in there. I'm almost done.
Okay.
Beep beep.
Probably my dad getting something out of his car.
Water.
Yeah.
Like he said he was going to get.
I just sneaked into his car and like ripped the bag open. So.
Take a drink of my water.
Okay. I'm gonna go get us napkins, okay? I'm gonna have to do some editing on this.
Next, we're going to eat the nerds when Michaela gets back. No, it's blown away. Tastes a little coconutty. I think there's coconut in here. Yeah, this is coconut.
napkins, and I don't really know when my dad and mom keep them, so we just have to use this.
Okay. That's fine. I'm pretty sure there was coconut in it. I have a piece of coconut.
I think so. I'm just going to set that to the side. I totally did not just throw it on the ground.
Okay. Let me close this. Now we will try these. Okay, how do we open this? Oh, it looks like you just rip it. Uh-oh.
It says new, so.
Yeah. I never had it before, so.
Yeah, me neither. Wait, what are the flavors? It says it on the back.
There's
So,
orange, strawberry, lemon,
grape.
and grape.
So, basically all the colors are what you would think they are.
Yeah. Okay, let's open them. How do you open this?
I think it's full. Yeah.
Okay,
I
let's try.
Strawberry.
I'm gonna try grape first.
Wait, I'm actually gonna try orange. Oh my god, they would be soft. They're like
They kind of look like they'd be like sour.
Yeah.
See, they're very weird.
Kind of tasty.
This one tastes like grape. Tastes weirdish though.
It kind of tastes like orange, but like
It says it's chewy. It's kind of hard though.
it's not really.
Oh, it's sour.
Oh. Good God.
Ew.
I don't like these.
Let me try the orange. Is that what you had?
Yeah.
We had strawberry. Orange one.
Not the best. I'm just gonna say that.
They're like okay. They're not... We just spilled them.
Well. Are they dirty?
They're not that dirty.
Okay, I'm just gonna put them in. I know that's disgusting. Look. I don't think they're that dirty.
Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah, I don't like the orange one. Ew, I did not like it.
Okay, there's still some we didn't pick up, but we'll get them later.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna eat the other colors.
Strawberry's disgusting.
I'm gonna. Oh, I almost fell. I'm gonna try strawberry. It's pink. Yeah, it's pink.
Do you want any other colors in this?
Oh yeah. Not too good.
Gross. I wouldn't suggest that because it doesn't really taste like Nerds at all, but
Nuh-uh. I mean, a littleish. It has like the sourish.
a little bit, but like not the best.
Now here's the yellow. Just yellow. Try it.
That one's lemon, yeah.
Yeah, it's sour.
Okay.
I don't suggest these. The only good one that I like is grape.
I only liked orange, but I might have liked
Strawberry's
grape.
okay.
I didn't have it.
I like strawberry.
Okay.
Now we will eat some sunflowers.
So these are pretty basic. We all know what they taste like, but
It says they're chewy. They're kind of hard though.
it says David,
Oh, I love
America's favorite seed brand, original salted and roasted sunflower seeds. So yeah, original. Oh. I don't open this totally wrong.
Stay
Oh.
hydrated, kids.
when we went to the store for this, a person must have left their bags behind, and we kind of took it, and it had like carrots, grapes, and Twizzlers, and onions in it.
Yeah.
The only good thing in there was the Twizzlers and the grapes.
And we were eating the grapes.
I know.
And we didn't even know it wasn't ours.
I thought like, oh, I didn't remember my dad getting these, but like whatever,
Yeah.
I guess. But then he was like, this is not mine. So
Yeah.
I was like, oh. Why can't I? There we go. Ew, the gray.
Yeah.
I remember them being black.
It's the powder.
True. I like the salt. I like the salt. But it doesn't look really salty.
I'm eating a nerd.
I just got my bottom braces and they hurt, so I can't eat this.
ASMR. Okay. Now I'm going to eat them. Alright, eat this real quick. I like the sauce.
Oh my god.
So salty.
What?
I can't get out. I was choked on it.
Are you okay? Sorry, that noise probably isn't the best noise.
Yeah. This is the seed if you never saw a sunflower seed. And this, the inside, it's just a seed.
Seed, yeah.
Just a seed. Oh, there it goes. I'm still eating it because I like them.
I don't want to bite it open, but like, because it hurts my teeth. Get back here, Nubby.
I don't want all this stuff on my plate because we're eating honeycomb and it's going on the plate.
Yeah, let's go get new plates. Oh, yeah, we can just dump it in there.
Yeah.
Okay. Now for the good part.
Yeah. Now
Honeycomb. So, we just got this at Weiss.
Yeah, we got at Weiss, your local market. Don't know if there's a Weiss by you. There is one.
It's just like right down the road from us.
So, it will stand up. Yeah, so here it is. It looks actually very good.
We've got forks.
And a knife.
Yeah. Hopefully this won't be too hard to open.
Yeah, it's easy to open.
Products of Hungary. It's Dutch Gold Pure Honey.
How do you get this off?
I have no idea. I've never had this before. So
It's
you
good.
can see the honey like at the top.
I know, it's so good.
Wait, let me try.
Like, skin it off and then eat it. I just got
Oh, that's
you
how
do
you
it. Oh, there.
Oh, that didn't work how I wanted it to. Yeah, no.
Is there still more?
Yeah.
Ooh, that sounds satisfying. There's still a little bit more on it. I don't think we need it off though.
Do you need help?
Okay, yeah. Oh, we have to take this off.
Oh, God.
Oh gosh, I don't know. Keep trying to get it open. We might need to cut it with a knife, maybe.
Where's the opening? Oh, it's on this side. I was like, where's the other
Sorry, we're having technical difficulties, physical difficulties on getting it open.
side? There we go.
Ching.
Tap down
Ching,
there.
ching.
Like, can I see it there? Yeah, there you go.
Yes, you do.
I don't really have nails. Abby would be good for this. She has those nails. Well, they grow
Maria
off.
would be good for it. She
Yes.
has extremely long nails.
And those are her natural nails. They're like huge.
They're like
They're like big.
that. They're like that big.
Yeah, they're long. And like we play
They're like artificial
softball.
nails.
So I'm like, how does she even catch
Like-
those?
I had artificial nails when I played softball, and honestly, it wasn't that hard, but.
Okay, you ready? Let's see if it comes off this time. God.
Oh boy.
Should we go get another plate to cut it on?
How about we just leave it there? Okay, yeah.
Or do you want to just leave it in there?
Yeah, we'll just leave it here.
Here, wait. Yeah, I could do that. And then we'll get like a block for it.
Ooh, it's kind of hard to cut.
Wait. Sweet. Oh my God, it's so sticky. I mean, what was I expecting? But like, it's like sticky. It's so weird. Tastes good.
Tastes like honey.
Yeah.
And here, get some of the honey.
So we got our first block, and then as we go, we'll get more.
Oh, it looks so good.
Okay, I'm gonna try. Oh my God, the wax.
Okay.
Too sweet. It's too sweet.
I like sweet stuff.
I don't. I mean, I do, but
I like this one better than Wegmans. That's the other one I have. It's not as hard.
it's like gum.
What happened? That's what I did.
Wax. It's like so pretty, and that starts with that.
It was like,
It's like this is disgusting. I don't like it.
reminds me of boogers. Yeah, how are
It's a
you?
bug. Sorry.
It's okay. If you suck on it. just like, and then like the wax just comes out in a piece.
About oops.
Ew. It's so sticky. I'm gonna have another piece. It's so juicy over here. Oh, sticky. How do I do this?
Want me to do it for you?
We didn't even use our forks.
Oh my god, yeah. Well, you don't really need it. I'm gonna get another piece too. Even though I don't like it, I'm just gonna do it. I don't like it, but I'm gonna do it.
Are you like, it's okay?
I don't know.
I like it. Probably because I had it before. It's not my first time. First time I tried it, I didn't like it. But
How
now
is it?
it's good.
You're still eating this crap?
Yeah, Dad. Honey vagina. Dad, you're ruining our video.
Oh, is it recording?
Yeah, Dad. You want to get out of here, please?
No.
You're crazy. There's a bug. Get away!
I hate bugs.
Ew, why is that part like
It's eaten.
like hard?
Yucky.
I like the wax. Is that bad? I just like the wax.
I like the wax too for some reason.
I don't know why.
But I don't like when it chunks up. I don't like when it gets chunked up.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Oh, this did not come out in one piece.
Okay, guys, myself. This is disgusting. It's like way too sweet.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's a bubble of honey in my mouth.
What?
That was weird. It looks like there's a wing in here. Okay, well, guys, that was us trying new foods.
Yeah, that was our video.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
See you next time. Bye.